Talk about your English class.
Hi, my name is Ali. Are you a student here? Hi, my name is Ali. Are you a student here? Hi, my name is Ali. Are you a student here?
Yes, I am a student here. Yes, I am a student here. Yes, I am a student here.
What do you study? What do you study? What do you study?
I study English. I study English. I study English.
Why do you study English? Why do you study English? Why do you study English?
Because I want to get a better job. Because I want to get a better job. Because I want to get a better job. I want to make more friends too. I want to make more friends too. I want to make more friends too.
Do you like your English class? Do you like your English class? Do you like your English class?
Yes, my English teacher is great. Yes, my English teacher is great. Yes, my English teacher is great. And my classmates are very friendly. And my classmates are very friendly. And my classmates are very friendly.
Are they from the same country? Are they from the same country? Are they from the same country?
No, they are from different countries. No, they are from different countries. No, they are from different countries. They are from Afghanistan, Bhutan, Cambodia, Myanmar, and Vietnam. They are from Afghanistan, Bhutan, Cambodia, Myanmar, and Vietnam. They are from Afghanistan, Bhutan, Cambodia, Myanmar, and Vietnam.
How many students in your class? How many students in your class? How many students in your class?
There are 20 students. There are 20 students. There are 20 students.
How often do you go to your English class? How often do you go to your English class? How often do you go to your English class?
I go to English class 3 days a week. I go to English class 3 days a week. I go to English class 3 days a week. I study part-time. I study part-time. I study part-time.
How many hours do you study a week? How many hours do you study a week? How many hours do you study a week?
I study 12 hours a week. I study 12 hours a week. I study 12 hours a week.
Do you study in the morning or evening? Do you study in the morning or evening? Do you study in the morning or evening?
I study in the evening. I study in the evening. I study in the evening.
Which class are you in? Which class are you in? Which class are you in?
I'm in class 226. I'm in class 226. I'm in class 226.
Great that you like your English class. Great that you like your English class. Great that you like your English class. Nice to talk with you today. Nice to talk with you today. Nice to talk with you today. But I have to go now. But I have to go now. But I have to go now. See you next time. See you next time. See you next time.
See you. See you.